Slavoj Zizek is a big, friendly Slovenian Marxist intellectual who spends as much time blathering on about Batman films as he does about Hegel. He's written about 75 books, most of which remain impenetrable to me, but it's his public appearances, both at lectures and at events like Occupy Wall Street, which have really cemented his position as the most broadly popular anti-capitalist philosopher working today.
When he says, I like it. Because late, still, people looking at my is simple.
Those glasses.
Yeah. Because it's zero, which means with the end you guilt upon him. Basically, but even if get whatever, nonetheless, was popular.
I think some people, I wonder if the seeds of something more revolutionary.
Total pessimism there. In terms, civil intellectuals said that so-called must not wind
Islam.
Yeah, and think that out of deal of pseudo conflict, I mean, their